Bienvenidos a Slinky Dog Day. Por favor, permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y vigilen a sus pequeños.
Kai, are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, let me look at
I'm kind of worried if this camera falls.
Gosh darn it, let's go.
Woo! Nice little, woo! 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 A nice little dip in the beginning. And it's, oh wow, it starts right away fast. Woo! Goes with a little left turn and a drop. Awesome. Woo! Yes! Now you're saying hi to Jesse and Rex, doing a quick left turn. Circling around, another dip, and a hard left bank. Straight away to left turn. And then here we go. You do the mega coaster go, go, go part. This is stops, it goes to complete stop. And then we go back.
Here we go.
Woo! And it goes up. Oh, that's awesome. It's fast, but not too fast, and goes up for another bank drop, and then he goes for the slinky part. Like a little slinky, go up and down. Up and down for like 5 or so. Then go left bank, right. I think that was the picture. And big finale, it says. Break zone.
You got a friend in me. You got troubles, and I got them too. There is anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together, we can see it through. 'Cause you got a friend in me.
Yes, you do.
Yeah, you got a friend in me.
So much fun. Please stay seated to become complete stop.
How was it,
And
Kai?
grab your things and step out to your right. So long now.
How was it?
Great. We want to Slinky Dog Dash 2 times.